had encountered an explosion in growth over the past 7 years. We went from operating with about 24 team members up to about 73. They've got to have places to take break, eat lunch, comfortable air conditioning. We needed offices for additional management, and something that was very, very nice to have, and we were really proud of. So we were in a major time crunch, and with working with Panel Build, they were able to build the modular pieces out of their own facility, bring it in, and basically put it together in a timely fashion so that when we were ready to just jump into it and go to work. Overall, very satisfied, no regrets whatsoever. They took good care of us, timely fashion. Anything that we needed, they were ready, they were there. They were on time with us to help us whatever we needed. Professional, polite, I can't say enough about it, just excellent.